Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me. When you're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
ayan, kinukuha. You give this to daddy. Lang siya yung nasa labas.
Guys, good morning. Today it's my breakfast day. Not breakfast day. I'm eating yolk was.
That's not yolk.
Not yolk.
What are you eating?
I'm eating
Yoga.
Yoga with blueberries, and I'm gonna eat it like. It's so good.
One has to be on.
Die.
What you gonna do today?
I play with my toy.
Okay. Lalaba ulit ako. Laba lang ako ng laba halos every day. Kasi ang dami kong labahan. And magtutupi. So, yun ang ganap ko. Yan yung dalawa. Ayun, nasa PS. Pero mamaya ano nila yan.
Daddy said.
Yeah, because daddy said kasi later they're gonna help us cleaning the house.
Yeah, but that's why you have to play the PlayStation.
I know.
But you have,
Kasi mainit pa sa labas
you
eh.
have to tell them the tornado to pick the apricot.
Yeah, later.
And clean the
Apricot.
house.
Say apricot.
Apricot.
Okay. Don't speak when your mouth is full. Tinatapos ko lang yung in-edit. Tingnan niyo siya.
I finished that book.
Good girl. Good girl, Bob. Naubos niya talaga. Eto, tinatapos ko lang yung aking vlog for today. Okay. Ayan, finally tapos na to, guys. And inutusan ko si Jan pumunta sa shop. Kasi may pinabilaw sa kanya. So, i-public ko lang to. And we're good. Okay. And mag-experiment tayo mamaya. Okay. Who said?
Betty.
Betty? Guys, andito na si Jan. Pinabili ko siya ng chicken kasi gagawa ko ng sarili kong wrap for my roast chicken. Ha? What's that, Baba? And nandito yung mga spices ko na wala na. Ha? Oh, it's frozen. Oh. Alright, frozen pala to. Nabili niyang chicken. So, ilagay natin to sa ano, sa dito, oh, dito na lang. And tingnan niyo, bumigay na yung aking yellow anong tawag niyo dito, guys? Basta yan, oh. Bumigay na siya kasi overuse talaga yan. Lahat naman sila, pero eto, hindi niya na kinaya. And ito yung breakfast ni Holly kanina. So, sana ba tayo? So, yun nga. Ito yung mga spices ko. Yung iba dito, hindi pa sila bukas. Katulad nito. And ayan, nang hindi pa to bukas. Pero yung mga bukas na, ayan, nilagay ko sa ziplock. And wala na kasi ako mapaglagyan. Sa dami ba naman ng spices, punong-puno na yung aking, yung dito ba? Ayan. Ayan. And meron pa ako dun sa pantry. So, wala na talaga silang mapaglagyan. So, linagay ko na lang sila dito. And may ziplock tayo. And mayroon pang potatoes, pero konti na lang. So, bumili na si Jan. And carrots. Kasi, magro-roast din tayo ng vegetables. And yun nga, sabi ni Aling Betty kay Jan. Kasi, eto, kinuha to ni Jan doon sa kapitbahay. Malapit. Kapitbahay talaga ni Ma'am. As in. So, mayroong ganitong tanim. And, sabi ni Aling Betty, itanim ko lang daw to. Yun ang sabi kay Jan. So, try natin, guys. Kasi ito talaga lagi ko tong kailangan sa aking mga niluluto. So, ngayon, tingnan natin kung mabuhay natin to. So, yeah. So, maya-maya, mag-roast tayo. And, yun nga, later then, Hoy, boys! You know what we're gonna do today?
Yep.
What?
Apricot.
Yeah, apricot picking. Isang to. Kinukulit ako.
Where's all my shorts?
It's in your drawer, Baba.
Wait, what drawer?
In your bedroom.
Yeah, in my bedroom.
Yes.
What shorts I'm gonna wear?
Any shorts. Kasi mainit ngayon. And eto na pala, gumagawa na ako ng aking
Can I do what, Mom?
chicken wrap.
Can I do it?
No.
Please.
Ano pa lang, 12. Sana maano yung chicken, no? Ma-defrost.
Is it frozen now?
Huh?
What's that?
Secret.
Secret.
Yes.
Can I do something?
Hindi ko pa na-on yung... Wait, Baba. Hindi ko pa na-on yung aking washing. Wait
Oh,
lang.
mix it.
No, Baba. Wait lang. Tapusin ko lang to. So, ayan. Tapos ko nang isulat dito sa aking notepad yung mga inilagay ko dito. Ayan na siya. Na-mix ko na siya ng maigi. And tingnan nyo naman. Nagkaubos-ubos na yung aking mga spices. Ayan. And of course, nandito pa rin yung ating freshly harvest na rosemary. And titingnan ko kung meron ako ditong extra na pwede kong i-refill sa mga na-empty ko mga spices dyan. So, yan yung ating pang-rub mamaya. Mamaya, mahuhusgahan ng ating pamilya yung aking create na pang-rub si chicken. So, yeah. So, hinintay ko na lang yung chicken kasi, ayan, hindi pa rin siya. Anong oras na? Alaunan na. Ang tigas niya pa. That's enough. That's enough. So good? Wala si Kuya. Nagdo-double dip ka, Kuya. No. That's it. That's it.
I taste that.
Don't.
Mommy, you're big belly.
Big girl na daw ako.
You're big belly, Mom.
I got big belly, I know.
Same as Daddy.
Same as Daddy. Mag-aalas 4 na, no? 15 minutes before 4. Magsampay muna ako. Ayan, isasampay ko. Naligo na kami ni Holly. Ayan si Holly. Holly!
Yeah?
You are fresh!
Fresh to Mommy.
What's wrong with my belly?
It's big.
Big belly na raw si Mommy.
Mommy,
Yes?
I didn't drink my coconut water yet.
Your coconut water? Ayun, binili pa natin.
I didn't drink for a
Later.
long day.
Yeah, later. After dinner, okay? So, magsampay muna ako. Sobrang init ngayon. And yung dalawa, yan, naka-PS. And ang dami kong tupiin. Ayan, yung linabahan ko to kahapon. Hindi ko pa siya natupi. Ang init. Sabi ni Jan, hindi raw ako healthy kasi parang kunting galaw ko, pagod na ako. Mamaya na kayo mag apricot picking kasi sobrang init pa. So, ayan, ang dami kong kukunin na sinampay doon. Tapos magsasampay, as in, marami pa akong labahan. Kasi diba, ang tagal kong hindi naglaba talaga since nung Christmas ata. Ano na ngayon? After New Year, after nang umuwi yung mga bisita ko, nag-start ako maglaba pa unti-unti. Tapos eto, nandito pa yung ating tablecloth. Pag ano na, tanggalin ko na yan pag almost done ako sa mga laban. Tapos sila naman yung next. And yung chicken, pinakita ko ba ito sa inyo? Binabad ko na, pinakita ko na ata. Binabad ko na siya sa sa tubig kasi parang feeling ko pag hindi ko siya binabad sa tubig, hindi siya madidefrost. So, di ba parang hingal-hingal ako. Si Jan sabi ni Jan, mag-exercise na ako kasi hindi na ako fit. Kasi naman, di ba, pag galing ko dito sa kusina, luto, pag tapos na akong gawain ng bahay, upo na ako dyan, mag-i-edit. So, wala na talaga akong exercise. So, sabi ni Jan, mag-exercise na ako kasi ang aking belly, my God, my belly is so big. So, yeah, magsampay muna ako. Ang init. Tumitirik yung init. Ayun, oh. Ganyan. Ang init. So, sige, magsampay muna tayo. Kunin ko muna yung mga nakasampay doon. Baba, are you gonna help me? Hang the clothes? No, it's too hot.
I really did push the thing.
Did you vlog, Mommy?
Yeah, I'm vlogging you.
Hold on. Blinag niya ako. Mahihilo kayo. Doon sa kuha niya. Ito na yung ating chicken. Pinapat-dry ko lang siya bago ko i-rub yung ginawa ko kanina. And medyo malaki siya, oh. Diba? Medyo malaki. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung ilang kilo siya. So, ipat-dry ko lang to, then i-rub ko na siya. And ilalagay ko na yung mga chinap ko dito na kung ano-ano. Dito ko ba ilalagay? Stuffing. Ipat-dry ko lang. Kulang pa yung ating paper towel. Ito. Sana kasya siya dito. Kasya naman. Sinarap ko na siya. Na yung chicken natin, guys. Maliliit yung dinner namin kasi 6 o'clock na. So, ilalagay ko na to sa oven. Ayan na siya. Bake na natin siya. Punta na tayo dun sa puno ng, ha?
Yes, that goes on top of the
Ano na tayo? Mag-harvest na tayo ng apricot. Apricot! Who's gonna go up? How about you, ya? Takot siya. Be careful, Sak, ha? Be careful. Hola. Wait, Sak, wait.
I can't get up there. It's too wobbly.
Give me the... ito lang yung ano na, hindi ko mahanap yung ano, yung basket. Here, Sak. Yeah. But we cannot reach that one. Si Sak na lang ang ano. Careful, Sak, oh. Don't do that. Okay, go, Kuya. Careful, yeah. Sak, check it, okay? What? Don't pick the one that already, like...
Oh, I hit the corner. I can't get up there.
Naku, si Kuya. Oh, you just don't know.
Up there, Mom.
Go, Sak. Just be careful.
Mom, if he fell down.
Saka, just be careful, Zachary.
Mom,
What? What?
there was an earwig on that.
There's no earwig there.
There was.
No.
Yes, there was.
Alright, okay. Are you girl? No. Come on, Sak. Yung chicken natin, wala pa yun. Tagal pa yun. Careful, Kuya, ha? Careful. You cannot go up there, Baba. Hurry up, Sak. Natakot na siya kasi may iwig
There's
daw.
no good ones up there.
Why?
Oh yeah, there's good ones.
Go up, Kuya.
Huh?
Go up.
No, I know what. Dad said there's good. I know where some good ones.
Sak, what are you doing?
Mom, there's no good ones.
Oh, diba? Umalis na siya. Okay, pass it to Holly. Just be careful. Okay, come on. Sak, Sak, where are you going? Don't jump. Ay, nako. Dito tayo sa likod. Dito na lang daw kayo pitas. Don't throw it, Zach. No, it's not. It's very ripe. Ang ano na kasi, hinog na siya.
I can reach it. No.
May ano pa kasi dito yung lumang foam bed.
Here, no.
Thanks, Holly.
Dad has.
Ano?
Yeah, but alright.
Good?
I can eat it now. I don't have to wash it.
Alright.
They're very nice apricots here.
Yeah, very sweet and juicy. Go, Zach. Malamig na yung hangin. Kanina. Yummy? Yung bike ni Chen, oh.
I just stepped on an apricot.
Lumang bike. Ang dami talagang bunga as in. Kaso itong isa natakot nung nakitang may iwig. Ang lambot. Ayan. Here's the Holly. Wait. Oh, careful, Zach. Okay, go.
Yep, good one.
Good one?
Yeah. It's soft.
Soft?
Yeah, feel it.
Yeah.
Can I feel?
Okay.
Oh, yeah, eat it.
Wait, Kuya. That one, Zach. Yeah.
I can reach.
Alright.
Oh my god, nice. Oh, this one.
Give it to Holly.
Good one too.
Good one. Okay, give it to Kuya.
I don't know if it's good.
Yeah, it's good. You can eat it, yeah?
A bit hard.
Yeah.
Really?
Ano, wait lang. Eto, akit nga ako dito. Baka mahulog tayo. Sak! Don't waste it. Ay! Ay! Sayang nun! Sayang to. Hindi. Bulok na siya. No, it's rotten. Okay.
Wait.
Ha? Si Kuya nakakadalawa na siya. What are you doing, Sagi boy? Ito talaga ang king ng kalokohan. Kasi ito ng mga mga hindi na ginagamit na ayan yung mga pram. I know. Paano tayo? May sink. Sink? Sink, yeah, that's the sink.
Oh, sink?
Wait lang, sana walang bino. Ay. Wait.
Oh, pipe. Mom!
Ah! What? Kuya, you scared
Why
me.
you think that it's sharp?
Ah, yeah, sharp. Wait,
Oh my
Sak!
God.
Ito naman kasi, Sak. Be careful, Sak, ha?
Wobbly.
Ito, maganda to, oh. Diyos ko, nakatakot. Sak! Wait lang, si Sak kasi. Natatakot ako kay Sak. Ikaw na bala ka. Okay, get those. Come on. Just be careful with that tint there. Yeah. No, that one. Doon tayo sa kabila. Come on. Let's go around. Baby. Si Kuya, hindi pa tayo tapos ubos na yung Go up, Sak. Come on, go up again, please. Dito marami kaso. Wala tayong hagdanan na Okay, Sak, give this to Kuya, Sak. Give this to Kuya, Sak, so Kuya, Sak can get more.
Okay, I'll catch it.
Tingnan mo siya, ang bilis niya.
I'll catch it.
No. Yeah. Si Kuya, nakatatlo na. Sak, Here, Sak. Okay. Get this. Yeah, it's alright. Careful, careful. What? No. You're still eating, Kuya.
In October, it feels like summertime. I keep falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites, yeah. It's black and white. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. I'm all up in the clouds when it's pouring rain. Ain't never coming down unless you call my name. Yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day. Like day by day. You're the only sunset that I'll never forget. Red and orange sorbet, like it is the best yet.
Pang-apat na yun ni Kuya. Andun pa rin si Sak.
I get to eat it.
Kuya natin to. Oh, diba? Ang bilis lang niya. Ay, may tuka na siya. Put it there. Oh, may tuka na siya.
There's eggs in there.
Okay. Wait lang. Kuya natin to. Oh, Sak, put it there. Be careful, please.
Oh,
Thank you.
see ya.
No. Holly, come on, Baba. Hold this, Baba. Naman tayo. Meron na yan. Eto. Ang lakas ng hangin. Bumaba na si Saki. Ah, ayan. Yeah, here. Okay. Where? No, let me see. What? What's? It's only ant. It's
There's
all...
a hole in it.
Okay, Holly, here.
So.
Papa.
Hey.
Falling for you like every night. Been communicating through satellites. It's black and white. I'm up,
Ma, why we need apricots for?
It's ready.
unless you come and
Ready to eat.
yeah, we should take it slow, just like day by day,
Wait, that's full.
day by day. I'm up in the clouds,
Whoa! They heavy, guys. Hey.
This one is big babalo.
just like day by day, day by day.
I know. Si Kuya, nakailan ka na Kuya? Is that your 6th?
Yep.
Okay, ayan na. Baba. Thank you. Where's Zachary? What are you doing there, Zach? Nandun na siya sa tank. Ay, hindi pa ako nakakapagtupi. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, freezing. There's more there. It's really nice and sweet.
I've had 6.
Na? Try it.
I've had 6.
Ang bango ng bahay daw sa chicken.
I've had 6.
Nice, isn't it, Anne? Yeah, a lot. Nice? Yeah.
Who picked this hard one? Who picked this
Naiinis siya
hard
sa aking tiyan kasi malaki na raw yung tiyan ko.
Can I eat it?
Holly had 2 or
Can I eat
is
it?
that your second? Pero
One.
pero kanina pa, 'di ba? Kumakain na siya kanina pa.
Hard.
Tinitingnan na dyan yung tiyan ko. Malaki na talaga guys ang aking tiyan. You like my belly, honey?
Hey, who picked that one?
What happened to my belly, Holly?
Exercise.
No, what's wrong with mommy's belly?
Ready?
Not yet. Wait, what's wrong with mommy's belly, Holly?
You eat too much food.
I eat too much food. Ano? Anong ayan? Ah, eto pa pala. Itatanim ko to. We're gonna plant this sack outside. Yeah, no, it's still on, yeah, but like warm. Right. Kinakain na nila yung apricot. Okay. You're welcome. Humingi siya ng bowl para sa kanilang seeds. What's that, Holly?
Can I eat all of them?
Are you?
Yeah. Not all of them.
Not all, because we're gonna have dinner later.
Just like the beginning.
Sarap?
Yeah.
Masarap? Hindi na nila hinugasan kasi organic naman siya. Hmm?
This is open.
No, that's Kuya TJ. Ang cute nila. What's this movie?
No.
Ito na pala yung juice doon sa ating roasted chicken. Tinanggal ko na kasi gagawa ko ng gravy. Entry na ito ni Jan tsaka ni Holly. Nagustuhan nila. And si Holly, nakadalawang ganitong spoon. Si Kuya andito. I-try niya rin daw. Just be careful, Kuya. Don't blow first. Blow first. Blow first because this is hot. Blow. Ako na nga mag-blow. Slowly. Slowly. What do you think? Hmm?
Can I have that whole thing?
No. We're gonna make gravy. Ano to? Sabaw ng sinigang. So, yan. Gagawin ko siya ng gravy. Pang sa inyo ang itsura ng ating chicken. Malapit na siya eh. 8 minutes pa. Oops. Minamadali na kasi ako ni Jan eh. Gutom na siya eh. Ayan yung chicken natin guys. Oh, ayan. So, i-prepare ko lang. Dagdagan kong 2 minutes. I-prepare ko yung gravy. So, eto na pala yung gravy. And, sineparate ko pala yung oil kasi naglagay ako ng olive oil doon sa aking roasted chicken. So, ayan yan yung oil na galing dito kanina. So, eto na yung gravy natin. And yung chicken natin ay okay na siya. So, ayan yung itsura niya, guys. Mamaya, ilalabas ko na ito. Ha? Oh, you're starving. Okay. Okay, prepare ko na yung dinner nila. Ayan, nandito yung ating roast vegetables. Ayan. So, pakainin ko na sila. So, ayan, tinanggal ko na siya sa oven, guys. So, ayan na yung itsura ng ating roast chicken. Ayan. So, makikita nyo may mga oil siya dahil dun sa linagay kong olive oil plus yung oil ng chicken. So, nagsama-sama na sila. So, sige na. Anong oras na guys? Tingnan nyo yung oras. Very late na yung dinner namin. Oh, mag-aalas 8 na. So, pakainin na natin sila. Eto pala, itatanim ko pa pala ito mamaya. Ha? What? Don't touch, ha? It's very, very hot.
That one looks like,
What?
that looks like lemonade.
Lemonade? Oh, there's a lemon. Yeah.
Yeah, there's a
Sige na.
lemon.
Pakainin ko na
Why
sila. It's coming, Baba.
Oh yeah, Mom, could I try one now?
Sure. It's hot, hot. It's hot.
Blow it, please.
Patayin natin dito sa itong natin.
Holly, I think it's good.
Tell the people what it tastes like.
I wanna have it. So good.
So tender, my God. So juicy.
Could I get the lemon?
Not yet. Dalawa lang ang drumstick.
Mom, I want a drumstick now.
Hala. Wait, Baba. Just wait.
Drumstick. Could I just get a tissue?
Tingnan nyo, ang juicy niya, guys.
Is
Oh.
it rice?
There's no rice. Ayan, saan makita niyo? No.
I want the drum.
What drum?
That drum.
No, that's Daddy now.
No.
Yeah, I have the second.
No, this is for hot
Okay, stop.
stuff. This is for hot stuff.
What do you think?
chicken.
Huh?
Good chicken.
I know. Thank you.
Good gravy. I want gravy.
Ayan si Jen. Maglalagay na siya ng gravy. Kanina pa tubutin ito. So, dapat ang dinner namin ay 6. Anong oras na? It is 8.
Mommy.
Okay.
Mom, I just want potato and carrot.
Okay.
9-4.
Wait.
Good one, Mom.
Okay, thank you. You want the lemon?
Yeah. So you.
So good? Let me know, what do you think, Kyle?
Best never.
Huh?
Best.
Best chicken?
I love it.
Huh?
I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much.
Better than
Try this
Coles?
one.
Huh, Kuya? Better than Coles?
Yeah. He's just trying.
What do you want, sa carrots and potatoes?
Mommy, is that alright if you drop that?
Yeah. Here's
You drop a gravy.
You're welcome. Next, Kuya.
Mom, me. Mom,
holy
more
po-
chicken.
More chicken?
If I.
Okay, yeah. I have more here. You like it, yeah? Wait, Baba. Yeah, coming, Kuya. I'm just cutting Holly. Kuya, sige. Kuha niya siya ng kuha. Okay. Holly, you want gravy, Baba?
No. Oh, Mom, I got 2 plates.
Yeah, that's Kuya. Do you want potatoes and pumpkin like Daddy?
I like this, Mom.
Late na
Mom,
kasi.
I
Yeah.
want to eat this.
Yeah. Okay, you don't want gravy. Yeah, you want gravy?
Yeah, please.
More.
Mom, I have some more.
More chicken.
More chicken?
Yes, please.
Do you want wings, yeah?
No, that's good.
No more legs. So tender, Han? Hindi na makausap si Jerry Boy. Hoy!
Huh?
Tender?
Yeah.
How about the taste?
More. Beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay.
Nice. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, then, and then get more.
Yeah, I'll give you more if you want more, Holly. Coming yan, si Kuya
What
na.
about the whole thing? No.
So, ito na lang yung natira sa chicken. And wala na siyang laman dyan. Pero ang gusto ko yung, itong sa ilalim, yung mga buto-buto dyan. If you want more, Kuya, sak ha. Kung gusto pa nila, pwede ko itong ibigay sa kanila. One sak? Ha? Pardon?
Apple?
More chicken?
Mom, there's apple.
Yeah, there's apple. Stuffing. Ano, honey? Good? Want more chicken, Zach? Oh. Okay, just chicken. Coming. Malulobot na naman ako. Good chicken. Tapos na siya. More chicken? Alright, okay. Ayun na si Zach. More pa raw kay Holly. Good job, Baba.
Finish?
Yeah. Si Daddy tapos na rin. Ha? Yeah. Good job, Baba. Himayang ko lang si Holly dito.
More, please, Mommy.
Coming, Baba. Dito na nga lang. Sandali lang. Malulobat na kayo, guys. Tingnan nyo, ha? Oh, ganyan siya ka-tender. Tingnan mo yung isa. Here, Baba. Oh, ang juicy niya. Ito na lang talang matitira sa akin. Here, Baba, oh. Punta si Jan sa ano. Tingnan niya yung dagat kung may tubig pa. Is this enough or more?
No more.
No more? This is enough?
I think I'm gonna have second one more, Billy.
Tingnan niyo tong isa. Kanina pa
got chicken, guys.
kanina pa siya kusit ng kusit. And si Kuya katapos niya lang. Andun naman sila sa kanilang PS4. Is it really, really good?
It's really, really good, that chicken.
Thanks, Kuya. So, ayan. Ang sarap ng mga ano, yung mga... Oh, tingnan mo to. Oh, di ba? Inuunahan niya na ako. Careful with the bone, ha?
I will.
No. Here. Oh, here. Sarap ng mga eto, guys.
If the
Oh.
bar one,
Ha?
chicken.
That's the thing I hate.
You wash your hands, okay? Naligo na tayo.
Just a tissue.
No, you have to wash your hands. So, sige na. Simutin ko na to, guys. Wait, baby. Ayan, o, di ba? May natira pang ano. Yung kaninang sinave ko. Wala rin. Naubos niya rin siya ni Kuya. Kaya, eto na lang yung atin, yung mga gilid. Ito, masarap to, yung mga yan. Yan ang mga paborito ko, yung mga singit-singit. O, diba? Buto na lang talaga yung matitira sa akin.
Can you get me more, please?
What? Here, oh, get that one.
That one.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Be careful. Wala. Yum. Okay.
Cook it again.
Yeah, next week. That.
100.
Huh?
100.
100? Okay. Wash your hands, Baba. Are you done?
Not that.
Oh my God, hindi pa siya tapos. Sige na, guys. Kain muna ako. Kain muna tayo. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, sarap. Sarap. Gusto niya raw itong i-try. Oh.
Yes, good job.
Yummy.
Mommy. I want to try the lemon.
Lemon?
Yeah. Please.
Well, yeah.
Squeeze it in my mouth. You have to squeeze it.
Ano? Sarap?
Yes. This juice.
Sobrang sarap, promise. Sobrang sarap.
Try it.
What's that? Lemon, it's alright. Yung juice, oh my goodness. Pwede tong ano. Sana mayroon akong ano. Sarap tong isaw-saw yung...
May vlog you?
No, I'm good. I-vlog niya raw ako. Yung ano ba? French toast. Yung French bread ba? Isaw-saw dito, oh. Yum. Sige, kain na talaga ako. Totoo na to.
Lemon.
Guys, i-close na namin yung vlog. How's my chicken?
Beautiful.
Okay, guys, yun na yung vlog natin for today. Yes? I'm gonna vlog. Okay, say, okay, good night, hon.
Good night, guys.
Love you too. May fishing bukas si Jack.
Good night, Mom.
Oh, are you going to bed also? Daddy? Did you wash your hands?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it smells good. No, okay, close the vlog.
Please like, please subscribe. Haven't seen ya.
Please like. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
If you haven't yet.
I know. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet.
See you on the next vlog, boys. Good night.
Good night, good night.
Magtutupi ako, guys.
Good night.
Okay, good night. Thank you.
I love you.
Bumalik si Holly. Lumabas siya sa kwarto kasi nakalimutan niyang uminom na. Yes, it is.
I hope it's not hot. Thank
Nice.
you.
You're welcome. Nakalimutan niya. Is it hot? Let me see. Not really.
I try.
Kasi gabi-gabi siya umiinom ng gatas. No, it's alright. Slowly. Slowly. No, it's not hot. It's
A
all...
little bit.
Alright, say good night.
Good night, guys.
Okay, drink your milk. Vlog ko daw siya. Okay. Kailangan
So
kong...
good, guys. You should try it now.
I think they do. Kailangan kong linisan yung aking iPad. Drink it straight, Papa.
I need a golden pump.
Make you strong and...
This
Make you strong and...
grow.
Healthy.
Healthy, and it makes you grow too. You drink a lot of milk and water so you can use and grow, and vegetables.
That's right, Bobo. Good. Okay, thank you. Okay, good night now.
Good night.
Okay, akin na mababasa. Okay, good night. Change your clothes now, okay?
How does that cup?
It's alright, that one.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do.